Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will study about how to use mirror command in AutoCAD. Here students, as you can see, this is one side of the object and we will mirror this part of the object to the another part, that is right hand side part. Okay, so for that first here we will select this object, and after that we will use the mirror command directly from this tab, or we can use the shortcut key. Okay, now I am again selecting this part of the object and typing using the shortcut key, which is MI. You can see here mirror has been appeared. Now I'm clicking here enter. Okay, now we need to here select the mirror line, that is mirror first point of the mirror line, that is here in this case we will consider this as the mirror line. So this is the first point of the mirror line and this is the second point of the mirror line. As you can see here, it is mirror image we have got, but here it has asked erase source objects. If you want to erase the original object, then we will click on yes or type Y, or if you want you don't want to erase the object, then we click on no. Okay, here in this case we don't want to erase the source object, so we will here press enter. Okay, as you can see here object has mirrored. Now I'm copying this and pasting here again. Okay, to show you another example, see here. Now I'm again using the mirror command here, selecting the object, typing mi, enter, specifying the first point and second point of the mirror image. And now in this case here I want to erase the source object, so I'm pressing here Y and pressing again enter. As you can see here object has been mirrored but source object has been deleted, as you can see here. So students, in this video we have understood about how to use mirror command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.